Today we're going to talk about how to use Desmos as a calculator. So the first thing I would do is type in Desmos Scientific. There's also a graphing, but Desmos is the best scientific calculator I've found. Then I would click on it and I would star it. So you can see I have mine bookmarked, so it's already starred. So some things you might do with this. Fractions. Let's say I wanted to do 5/8. So on a regular one, you can just push that and it'll make it 5/8 plus 2/3. The other way to do fractions is to push the fraction button over here, this ABC button, and say 2/3. And it does it as you're going. So 1.291666, it says 7 at the end because it rounds. So if this isn't how you would like your answer, you would push this button and to convert it back to a fraction, 31/24. It does give it as an improper fraction, but that's okay. So you can even change that. You can do a percent of something. So let me clear all. So let's say I want to do 30% of 24, 7.2. If I want that as a fraction, 36/5. Okay. Another thing you can do on here is use negative numbers. So I can put in here, I'm going to use the subtraction sign. -2 plus -5, -7. Another thing you might use a lot is the exponent button. So let's say I want 5 squared. 5 squared means 5 times 5. It does not mean 5 times 2. So 5 squared, there we go, is 25. If I want to do 10 to the, it's this ABC button, 5th, 10,000. If I want to find a square root of something, I push the square root button, square root of 25, 5. So there are all kinds of things you can do on here. You can explore different functions and things, but for the most part, you won't need these for your regular math classes. You would just need to be on main.